This lesson is for activity 2.2.2. Change the motion. This is the Fusion 360 version of the Pantograph. Start by creating a new component. And let's name this component as long bar. Click OK. Start a new sketch on the top plane. Click slot, center to center slot. Start from the origin and draw a vertical line up. Click, drag, and release. Okay, dimension. The center of one circle to the other is 4. And then the radius of the arc should be 0.125. All right, that is fully constrained now. Now create 3 circles. So zoom in, create one circle where the origin lies, another circle somewhere around here, and the last circle should be at the center of the second arc. Okay, so go ahead and dimension the circle. The circle should have a diameter of 0.125. And then use the equal constraint. Click the first circle and then click the second circle. Click the first circle again and click the third circle. Okay, so the first and third circles are fully constrained now. To fully constrain the second circle, just dimension it. So center to center distance should be 1. Okay, finish your sketch. Go home to isometric view. Extrude the long bar to 0.125. All right. Next, go back to the parent. And then let's save this first. Let's name this Pantograph. Click save. So make sure that you are on the parent and then create a new component. And then this time we are going to name this medium bar. Click OK. All right, start a new sketch onto the top of the long bar. So you should be able to select it even if it's somewhat invisible. And then go ahead and click on project. Select that second circle. It should project it out, and then the third circle. And then next, go ahead and select slot once more. Use center to center slot. From the second circle's center, draw a line going up to the third circle. And then drag. Okay. Dimension should be, radius should be 0.125. And that should fully constrain it. So finish your sketch. Go on isometric once more. Extrude the medium bar to 0.125. Okay, 0.125, click OK. All right, so we got 2 bars at this time, a long bar and a medium bar. Now, if you click on the parent, which is the pantograph, you should see both bars that you drew. Next, create a new component. And now we're going to name this as short bar. Make sure that you are in the parent. Okay, click OK. and then it will create a new component. It's going to hide the long bar and the medium bar, and then rotate to the back, and then create a sketch on the back of the long bar. Okay, once more, select project the first circle, and project the second circle. Okay, click OK, and then create a slot once more, center to center slot, from that first circle going down to the second circle. Click and drag, and then dimension the slot's arc 0.125, and that should fully constrain it. So finish your sketch. Go back on isometric and rotate to the bottom just to see it as you extrude it down by 0.125 once more. 0.125. Click OK. All right, let's go back on isometric and then head back to the parent by activating that. Okay, so we got 3 components drawn so far. Okay, then the last one that we need is a pin. So let's create a new component, and let's name this component as pin. And then before you hit OK, make sure that you are in the parent. Okay, click OK, and then select, create a sketch, and select the long bar, the top of the long bar. Okay, and then we are going to use project once more, and we're going to project this one circle. Click OK, and that's it. Finish your sketch, and we are just going to extrude that going down, and that should be a distance of negative 0.25, which is the thickness of 2 bars. Press enter, and then let's head back to the Pantograph. So right now you have all the parts that you need. We could go and change the appearances of each just so that you could see the difference. So I could go right click here and say appearance. And then under appearance, you could go to paint. And then there's a variety of paint that you could use here. I'm just going to use the glossy. I'm going to drag one, like the blue, and just drop it to one of the bars. It's up to you which one you want to use. I'm just going to change the color of each, and the pin also. So I'm going to make the pin yellow. Close. So this is the first part of the work for change the motion. Make sure you save your work and tune in for the next